May profits be upon you. Welcome to another weekly market forecast. We're looking at the NASDAQ 100. The NASDAQ 100. We're looking at the NASDAQ futures. Okay. And what can we see looking at the weekly? Well, if we take a quick look, a quick glance at the doggone, I can't speak for some reason, at the monthly here, we can see that it's still bullish. I didn't even do that. I meant to do this. All right. And we can see that we have nothing but bullish candles, right? There's no bullish fair value gaps, but yet the market keeps pushing higher and higher. I particularly like this last move where you can see it made this high, pulled back, and then made this new high, trading through and closing way above the previous high. That indicates more bullishness. Price is more bullish than bearish, right? Easy. Now, if we go to the weekly, what can we see? I want you to take a closer look at the current price action up here. All right. What we can see is this down close candle, which was the Trump declaration of new tariffs on China, and then they kind of worked it out as of recently, kind of worked it out a little bit. They made some kind of deal. All right. We see the the push up, pull back, push up, and we finally recovered from that flash crash, and we have closed beyond the high of that flash crash high, the high of that candle. This is a bullish indication, and as you can see, it played out great. We had this volume imbalance to the upside, and then price just skyrocketed and hit an all-time high. Now, what I want you to notice is we also closed a bullish fair value gap here. All right, from this high to this low. All right, this is the bullish fair value gap, and price could use this bullish fair value gap to make a pullback, find support, and continue higher from. Got it? This is a weekly bullish fair value gap. Now, let's go to the daily. What do we see on the daily? Let's get rid of the weekly fair value gap and put in the daily fair value gap. Where's that daily fair value gap? From this low, from this high to this low, right? And you can see that the market is already in this bullish fair value gap. Now, when the market is in a bullish fair value gap in an uptrend, you have to think the high probability trades are to the upside. Period. End of story. There is no scenario here that says, hey, let me take shorts. No, there's no short scenario here. All right. The only short scenario is if price takes out this fair value gap. That'll be your first sign that the market is not looking for buys at the moment. All right. Maybe we could take buys down here. All right. But we have to see a setup for it. We have to see a break of market structure to the opposite direction. But until this fair value gap folds, until that happens, I'm going to be looking for buys, period. You're not going to take sells into a bullish fair value gap. And there's another one right under here as well. All right. Remember, there is a weekly fair value gap here as well. So I'm not looking for sell scenarios, shorting scenarios. No. Can we get any more insight on the 4-hour time frame? Yes. You see this volume imbalance? There's a chance that price wants to close that, come on down into that and close it. But what I want to put up is the Fibonacci retracement tool from the low to the high. Here's a low, and here is the high. I'm going to move this over to the side here. And what we can see is right around this gap area is the 50% of this fair value gap, right? And just below that is that where price has its equilibrium of the range. Is premium price above that 50%. There's discount prices below that 50% equilibrium of this trading range from this low to this high. So what you want is to take shorts from the premium and you want to take longs from the discount prices above and below the 50% of this trading range. Got it? All right. And do we want to take sells into premium arrays? No, no, we do not. We want to take shorts from premium arrays, not into. Well, actually, this bullish fair value gap would kind of be considered a discount array, but it's an array, and we don't want to take any shorts into it. All right. The premium, the discount scenarios are down here, where I would be looking for prices to find support, like this down close candle right there, right below this gap. So I can see a scenario where price meanders down a little bit more, all right, towards this gap, maybe gets a wick like this one here, and then starts to pull back up and chase that buy side liquidity at these highs. All right, this would be a internal range liquidity to external range liquidity move. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for nothing but buys, and I'm giving you the scenario in which I'm looking for those buys. Maybe we get it after price takes out this low. I'll be looking for a low, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a higher high, and I'll be waiting for that pullback to take a high probability trade to the upside. I would like to do that right around this 50%. If price can get down to that 50% and probably further into that weekly fair value gap. I'm going to draw that weekly fair value gap out, just that area of fair value here. Let's see if I can get a different thing there. Okay, and then I'm going to go back to the 4 hour, see where we're at. All right, boom, 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 boom. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Thank you. All right, look at that. All right, this is where they overlap, the daily fair value gap and the weekly fair value gap. This is the area. Oh, come on, man. This is the area where they overlap, and I would think this will be confluence of support right there, right around that 50%, which is what I've been talking about the whole time. So we know where to look. All right, we know where to look. We just have to be patient. We just have to be patient and wait for a bullish change in the state of delivery. All right, and that's probably going to come right around that 50% area. I hope you like this video. Hey, go and check out the other videos that I put out today, which are, doggone it, man. There we go. The S&P 500 that I just put out, the gold video that I put out, gold prices, pound USD, euro USD, and US dollar. All right, go check those out. All right, I put some work in there. I think we're going to have a very good week ahead. I think so. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and may profits be upon you. Don't forget to hit the like and boost button. All right, thank you.